To do this trend on Android, you need to have Capcut application. Now open Capcut, go to New Project and add your photo. Now select Format 9:16, adjust photo to full screen and then delete the in part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description if you don't have the audio. Now first split the photo into two parts and set first and second part of the photo to 1.0 second. And now increase the length of the photo till the end of audio. Now add effect to the second part of the photo. Go to effect and then to body effect, and then click on frame and add the first effect. Now adjust the settings according to you. Now trim the effect till the end of second part. Now go to the beginning of third part and add the copy and share overlay. You can get this sticker from the link given in description below. Now adjust and place the sticker. Now apply the sticker layer till the end of the audio. Now apply effect to the third part. Go to effect and then to body effect. Then to frame and apply the second effect. Now adjust the settings according to you. Now apply the effect till the end of video. Now apply animation to second part of the photo. Go to animation then to in and apply zoom out effect. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.